Hey traders, happy Friday to you. Welcome to episode 400 and something. Hold on, 447. All right. Thank y'all for being here. You could be doing it on a Friday, but you're hanging out, and I like that. I really appreciate it because with one door closing on XRP to BTC potentially, and you know, could still always pop, right? But it's really just falling below any areas that you'd want to see it for a potential trade. One door closing on that pair, you've got the US dollar pair over here, and funny enough, XDA to B to C to D, we actually on this wick hit a 78% retrace before popping the upside, and it's very similar to Bitcoin hitting its own 78.6% retrace. Crazy, man. So I thought, hey, over time we could, run up, sell off, whatever, and methodically get there in like a week or something. Nope, just go straight down to hit a 78% retrace before bullishly engulfing right after. But you're really having issues with demand here. You can't find, there's no buying pressure to push this thing higher. You're right around that 200 moving average. You can't break it. You're now falling back below it. And I was thinking, hey, we break the upside, okay, some little scrubby move up, retrace, high to low, and then we sell off again, and then we could form bullish divergence. And that's what I was talking about in that trade setup. Looking for more coinciding variables than just an entry on the position, okay? And we could be setting up for that since we're losing a lot of our negative momentum from this sell-off. Or again, maybe this isn't it. Maybe we run a little bit more. But eventually, I think what's going to happen is you will start showing bullish divergence on a 4-hour time scale near the entry. And it could be a wonderful opportunity for low risk, high reward. Okay? Another potential bullish cipher on XRP to USD. All right? That is the news, breaking news, XRP. Okay? But it's technically already hit target, which is just insane. Again, that didn't take long at all. All right? So targets 382, 618, 886 to 100%. So 34.059 cents, 35.704 cents, or 38.365 cents. Those are the three where one will be layering out on a trade. Okay. Dude, holy crap, man. YouTube partner verified, man. We did it. After all these many eons, it's finally here. We did it. All right. So I don't know. I turned on Super Chat for the memes, just to feel it, man, just to see it and whatever. I don't know, whatever. And I didn't turn on ads. It turned on by itself. I mean, I can go in and turn it off or whatever, but I don't know. I just want to get my feet wet with this whole thing and see how it goes. Whatever. Just live the life of a YouTube partner for a day or two before turning it all off. All right. So that's it. I don't really know how Super Chat works. Like, I know it would pop up somewhere, but good God, I have no idea if it'd pop up on my popped out chat or not. Got no idea. Cobman the King would know. Okay. So that's it, man. XRP to USD. Hold on. And then you've got XRP to BTC, which is falling as low as 6287. Terrible. All right, below all critical fib nodes. Yeah. I mean, XRP is pretty much done. Like, I think XRP to BTC should sell off much lower prices, probably 6100, and then after 6100, 5500 sats. It's awful, man. Like, you can't find any relief. But I do know you will start getting bullish divergence on the RSI on the daily soon. So maybe it pops because of that. But dude, trade setup be danged. And that's what happens. Sometimes, look, it's very reliable, but sometimes it just doesn't work out. It sucks. So anyway, let's go to Bitcoin, because Bitcoin also, and Litecoin to BTC. I think I might do a video on Litecoin to BTC. I think I already did, but I'll do it again. I did a video on Litecoin to BTC, and then maybe now I could update on it, do an update video on it or something. I don't know. Okay, hear me out here. So this is RedX. Remember, we did a static video today giving RedX credit for his identification of a potential harmonic, which hit literally the 786 right on the dot 4,900 before breaking the upside. Crazy. And then you go into the 60 minutes, and again, this reiteration of the static video did. There was a low to a lower low, almost no negative momentum, higher levels relative strength. So Class A bullish divergence at the 786 at your potential entry. And as you see, we've hit the 382, but no higher than that so far. Okay. Oh my God, river ashes. So it doesn't pop. Oh, I think, isn't it like if it pops up? Oh my God, a super chat emoji ball falls in the jar. What? Holy crap, man. New world we live in. New world we live in. Wow. I could go ahead and change that real quick on my overlay. Give me a sec. Hey, thanks for everyone tuned in on DLive. Appreciate y'all. What's up, Rect1? Nice debating name. I'm immune. But very, very cool. Thanks for being here. Samit, welcome. Follow for follow, welcome. Thanks for the follow. Thanks for the lemons over there. Jonathan Kang, what's up, dude? Kappa Dappa. Patty Cake, wow. Really? Thanks for the ice cream. Ice cream connects. Oh my God. Oh, also, thanks, Renewable Guy, for the whatever 58.9% of 1 XRP or something. Thanks, dude. Good game, man. Dude, thanks for the $2 from Super Chat, man. Whoa. We're big time now, dude. We're freaking big time. I can't believe it, man. Dude, it's like 2+ months I submitted that. So long ago. I like kind of just forgot about it, dude. Are you a Super Saiyan chatter now? I guess so, Coach K. To Jesus man. But you've always been Ultra Instinct Jesus man, okay? That's it. No ifs, ands, or buts about him, Coach K, okay? Hold on, let me see if I can make this quick. I can just change the avatar or the noise. I think with Super Chat I would just do the limit break. It's really quick, sounds good. Kiss the living man.
Welcome to the dark side, Mitch. Can you look at SPX?
I sure can. You want to see the SP 500? Sure, dude. Crypto shop, man. Oh my God, $12. Dude, hold on. It's bugging. Dude, thanks for the 12 on Super Chat. I can't believe it, man. Super Chat alert. Ooh, I like the emoji ball. Let me change the variation, and we're just gonna make it the house harmonic, I guess, or something, right? Who's that? Almost do this. All right, almost good. Okay. Crap. Oh, thanks for joining. Welcome. I'm confused here. I'm confused. That's not how it works. It's not. Why is it, dude? Oh, okay, because the layering. Gosh dang it, dude. There we go. It's like confused. Just give me a sec, because I forgot all about this. This is all so new to me. Okay. But, hey, man, we did the analysis on XRP. We're looking at BTC. And we're about to look at Ethereum. All the Ethereum in all its glory. It's beautiful. It's really holding the upside because Bitcoin is holding up a little bit, right? Dude. This is crazy. Wow, man. Where's my music? God, try to make it more awkward audio. LJ Studio, thanks for joining. Welcome. Sorry, man. Sorry, everyone. Just, this is really weird. Why my stuff's not popping up. Okay. Hey, Gerardo Reyes, welcome, dude. Welcome, man. It's so weird. Crypto Shop, man. Doesn't show messages though.
Super Chat doesn't show messages though. /BTC please. And Rossmon.
Yeah, it's just gonna be up to me to check the chat and see it. Stacking Zerbs, man. Thanks for the Super Chat, dude. We did it, man. I guess I'm screwed because it's like not like literally letting me upload, dude. Thanks, dude, for the 5. I feel like just this completely different person now. Oh my God, dude. Take your sweet time. Thanks. This is how it goes, man. It's like you can't ever get it. Oh, hey, what's up? Oh, D-Live, dude. Thanks for the 42 people tuned in over there on D-Live. That's crazy, man. That's crazy talk. Okay. That's good. And now all I have to do is this. There it is. Turn it down. Boom. It should be good. We should be good. I shouldn't have to worry about on Super Chat anymore. The weird shark doing the dance. Okay. All right. Bitcoin. Let's go to, you see it. You get it. The video we did. And, yeah, we're going to look at Zen to BTC right after the S&P 500. Okay. And Ethereum, because Ethereum's part of the big three and we just have to. It's part of the protocol. Oh, man. You tell me what that looks like to you. All right. I mean, look, I get it. All right. Hey, Bitcoin could be running more, whatever. But, dude, this is... Does that not look like a bear pole, bear flag? Chat? Anyone? Bueller? Hey, you might run up again. Who cares? High to low, you've hit a probably 38% retrace. And that's it. It's probably what you wicked off of from that high to low. Okay? How was that Remlaw, dude? Do you need me to turn the lights on, dude? Why do we need to turn red on, man? Red, really? Okay, so, you know, the analysis of this. Come on. You get it, right? Let's just go to the 4 hour. Because the flag still shows up on the 4 hour pretty well. You can still see that bearish consolidation after the impulse down, right? So just resetting the MACD, the momentum, you're losing a lot. And so whenever it wants to break again, I mean, bear pole, bear flag measure move here. Wow. I mean, that'd bring you lower than the second target for the short, wouldn't it? Right there. If this was to play out, then it'd bring you down to the 786. Wow. Holy crap. I wonder if we could get that, man. If we could, that's like $144, which is right in line with the analysis, isn't it? So we'll see, man. See if it plays out. Bear pole, bear flag. Okay. What's up, Sultan? Welcome. Sorry I haven't been able to look at much chat. It's been kind of crazy here. And thanks again for River Ashes being the first person of all time to ever tip on Super Chat. Coach K, second. Crypto Chef, the largest Super Chat contribution in the history of this show. And then Stack and Zerps in second place. Thanks, all y'all. Incredible. Okay. Very cool. S&P 500. Let's go, baby. Sorry, that was loud. Okay, man. Starting to wedge in the short term, aren't we? Are we not? You can see it, can't you? Two converging upsloping trend lines. I do declare. After a crazy, crazy move. Well, right, yeah, maybe so, man. Maybe so. All right. Elabok, thanks so much for the 5. The Super Chat. It worked, though. No more shark. Thanks, dude. Much love. Bernard, I wish I had the title of the music. I just don't right now. So, geez, man. Just get rid of all this real quick. Because, like, I mean, there you go, dude. We're above the 886. All right. You got a beautiful looking wedge. You're 100% retrace. Okay, probably 93% of the way retraced. Of course, there's gaps and gaps and a gap, right? All kinds of gaps. So, man, you tell me. You have an impulse up, and then you have upsloping consolidation. This move down, this was the move down that created the beginning of that volatility, and now it's contracting and upsloping. So that is a rising wedge. That's it, man. That's a rising wedge, if I've ever seen one. 4 hour oscillators, man, not really showing much bearish divergence. Kind of decent. Oh man, come on. Let me go back. Okay. Perfect. All right. So you get it, man, right? We're probably 85 to 90% of the way through the development of the pattern. So you know that move's coming. It still looks very nice. Very, very nice on that daily, doesn't it? It does. So if you've been just doing nothing but moving up since December 26th of 2018, and then after the impulse, you showed a little bit of volatility, and the volatility started contracting, and that's what an impulse and then upsloping consolidation. That is improper consolidation, is it not? I mean, hey, it's the stock market. I get it, right? It's plunge protection. It can't do anything but go up. But if you're just going to talk about traditional technical analysis right here, that is a recipe for a sell-off. And measure move's not even a big deal, man. You just had a golden cross on the 29th. April 1st was the golden cross, okay? So that's huge on the daily. Bro, dude, I'll tell you, there's just not much bearish divergence going on with this pattern. High. So here's a high there at the beginning of the pattern. Right? It's just like stagnation. It's like Class C bearish divergence. Every time you make a higher high, you're making the exact same amount of relative strength. So it's not really impending price action reversal, but remember, it's to be noted. And if you add this with a bearish pattern, it could play out, right? MACD, I mean, no real divergence, no real formal divergence that I see right here. Okay, so hey Edward, thanks for the $1 super chat. Kingsman, oh my god, I can't believe it, dude. So much stuff going on. What's up, Skills of the Gun? Thanks for the follow on DLive. Welcome, dude. Welcome. The DLive crew keeping it Giphy. That's right. Ambiance. What is this? An ambi for aunts? XRP, piss myself. Thanks so much for the one ice cream, dude. Craig, thanks for the lemon. True Stoner, thanks for the lemons, dude. Y'all amazing. Okay. If you haven't checked out DLive, all it is just a platform that instead of, I guess it's like just a newer streaming platform, and it uses cryptocurrency as its source of a way you can tip me. And it's like Twitch has bits, right? And this one's just crypto, so it's just a little different. It's not a decentralized exchange. Speaking of bits, what's up, Rendigo?
Here, bro.
Well, thanks for the 500 bits, man, over on Twitch, brother, man. Okay. Thanks, dude. Really appreciate it. This is crazy, man. Crazy world we live in. It's Twitch 2.0 trending stoner, man. Is that true? Is that true? All right. So sorry, I haven't really been able to. Let's see. Next one's gonna be ZenConnect. Oh, good God. That descending scallop. Sure as heck looks like it, doesn't it? We can make adjustments here. Huh. Okay. All right. So we're going to look at Zen now, ZenConnect. Okay. I just made an adjustment here. Okay, so ZenConnect, what did it do? Oh, it's structure, anchor point, 1 up here. You can barely even see it. 2 and then 3 with crazy amounts of heart line and 75% trend line respect on both sides, dude. Beautiful. 25% resistance. Come on, dude. And there's that heart line. Okay, so you broke it and now you're out of it. And so you're expecting from a high point to low point on ZenConnect to eventually run to 23.95, between 23.95 and 31.93. Okay, that's the golden zone. That's it. Right now you're struggling with that 200-day moving average. You tried breaking it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times. You've rejected it since early March. You just can't do it. You're just scrubbing out so bad. You're just rejecting higher prices. And the thing is, look at the wick. Look at this one wick gave us the 23% retrace. So you know that this is the major swing low. It's, you know, and really we had a channel, we broke it, but we pivoted at the 50-day moving average. Yeah, Edward DeSantos, thanks for the 1. All right, thank you, dude. You've been waiting to tip on here forever. Hey, Mitch, can you look at ZenConnect? Is that a trade that you indicated is still valid? Eli, we'll look at it, all right, dude? Thanks, been Latin, dude. We'll look, Eli, right after ZenConnect. Well, we just looked at ZenConnect. I mean, we talked about targets, we talked about it's uptrending, and it's projecting the 200-day moving average, but we would expect in time, if it's just to make a standard everyday scrubby retrace, $23.95 minimum, okay? That's it. Jeez, dude. Feels insurance triggered. Oh my god. Flower controller or flow controller is done with YouTube as well. Wow. Dang, man. Thanks for the 240 people here on YouTube. Thanks for the 40 people on DLive. And thanks for everyone who else is on Periscope or on Twitch. Thank y'all. Everyone. Kangs and Queens. Jeez, dude. A lot of stuff going on. Bearish divergence for XRP. Hey, Claudia, thanks for the 1 diamond, dude. XRP, why would there be bearish divergence on XRP? How could you really do that? You're not making higher highs yet, right? What's up, David Wolf? Sharuba, welcome. But happy Friday to you, DAC, man. Crypto military vet, thanks for your service. And thanks for watching and being king, all right? Go on. Yeah, certainly. Certainly can. Sorry. And it's crazy though that Super Chat only says Super Chat and doesn't say the message. Hey, Than Quash, thanks for the 5. Appreciate that over on Super Chat, Kangs. 359. Oh, it's okay, I get it. Yes, different currencies. This is crazy, man. Crazy world. Crazy world. All right, so you know, the more you think about it on ZRX, man, it's like it just almost seemed like you had an ascending broadening wedge of some sort, but you've now since sold off. I think you've gone way too low for any kind of actual harmonic. I don't think it plays out at all. All right, sorry, let me get to it. All right, you see that? There was that upslope support, and you busted it. Oh, hey, man, here is an absolute perfect example of a break, hook, and go. We did education on this yesterday at the beginning of the stream. So now we can look at a real-world example of a break, hook, and go confirmation, right? We broke out. You can see we broke just barely. Broke that trend line that was once support. And then we opened, ran up, back tested, sold all the way off, and then closed 6609. Thanks, Samsara, for the 420.
Is that a joint?
On Super Chat. Kangs. All right. So we back tested, right? So you broke. You hooked. You actually hooked again. All right. Couldn't break above it. And then you bearishly engulfed. So you break, hook, and go. Confirmation. And as you can see, after the confirmation, we've sold off again, right? So there you go. Negative momentum is continuing to build. And there's plenty of room to run on the RSI, meaning we could see lower prices if we truly wanted to. So ZRX, man, not doing anything that you'd want to see. This might just be continuing to be a scrub out. All right, but from that high point here to low point, you hit 78, 88% retrace, and then this high to low, you hit the 382, I believe. So you hit common areas, right? Your common retrace. That's it. Okay. That's it, man. Okay. What's up, Seth coming in on Twitch? Welcome. Rimlog, man. Kangs, dude. Dude, this is so lit, man. So much stuff going on. What's up, Wade Robinson? Sub to Pewds. Okay, man. I've already subbed to him. I can't sub anymore, man. Okay, so next one. ZenConnect. Not doing exactly what we want, but yep, see? Big old fake out. You hit the height of the structure, right? The short term look. High to low, 50% retrace.
How was your date, bro? Teach her the bull runner some mooning mon.
Well, there's a little bit of that, but it really just, it kind of didn't really go anywhere, man. It wasn't like, oh, match made in heaven, dude. It's all over. It's all over, man. I've met the girl of my dreams, and it's over. Kappa. All right. It's whatever, man. Frontline Patriot, thanks for the 5, dude. On Super Chat. Kangs. Adrian A, thanks for the 621. On Super Chat. Kangs. Yeah, but Sam, we'll put MDA on the list, all right? What level of trading do you? I think you only need the one that's one up from the free one to get the indicators I get, but I have the pro version, so it's like another level up. So I don't think you need anything but one more, like the tier above. I think it's like $15 a month for you, Adrian. Just to answer your question. Thanks again for the was that the euro or something? Thanks, dude. Absolutely, Canna Kid, dude. Thanks for all the support, man. Here you go. Next time you say something, good things will happen. Boom. All right. Yeah, Phil. I feel great. I'm 28, man. I'm 10. I'm 10 years old, and I feel great in crypto, man. What's up, Nano Narc Agent? Welcome. Thanks for the follow. True Stoner, thanks for the Kaioken. All right. And remember, if you want to keep the conversation going or you want to get in contact with me or anyone else in this community when the stream goes static, join our Discord. Link is in the description below, but we also post it all the time. I think my link is terrible. I think it's broken or something in my chat. So that was for a Dire Guy. That was a patron. Oh, that played out pretty well if you ask me, man. What's going on with this one, dude? Do we have a harmonic on this? No way. Yeah, no, we didn't. What is going on here? Okay. MDA, we had like a sim triangle. We broke out. And we just, I think this is one where we said we're using critical thinking on our targets. Obviously, we've hit all 3, right? It's over now. It just took a little bit longer. And that's it. Never broke the support. All hit, man. 1272. Never saw it again. Kangs.
Medman Mod, thanks again for everything you do. and FF.
Medman Mon. What is Medman Mon? Talking about the other Tigger? Dude, thanks for the 318 on standard stream elements. Kangs. Hold on. Yeah, I know we've done this one like a week or 2 ago. MMNFF. We'll look at it, alright? So, with it now, dude, pattern-wise? Looks like it's just, so clean it up, man, I guess. It's beautiful, though. Beautiful. Beautiful MDA. Okay, all targets. Hit. Kangs. Alright, so on the daily, what's happening? We're still above, making higher lows than our previous lows. Okay, so that critical support, definitely right there. Remember when you fell down, you hit it, a lot of support, and then bounced. It's good, man. Staying above that 200, you better stay above it. At this point, man, it may be a channel or something, right? You might have some sort of channel. X. See, the wicks, man, throw it off. You can candle close, but I think you're too deep now. I think you're way... Nope, this is not a harmonic, I know. But, like, dude, it really could look like some sort of crazy head and shoulder stuff, right? Dude, this thing's all over the place. Where do you even find these things, dude? It's on Binance. Okay. I mean, that's about it, man, I guess. Because it's not down sloping anymore. It's only up sloping. So just anchor point 1 and 2 on the bottom, and 3 and 4 and 5 now total anchor points for this thing. So you're nearing the bottom of it again. Lots of negative momentum on the daily and 35 on the RSI, so you still got room to run to break the downside. You would hope that you could stay above that 200-day moving average. Very, very important. You have to. Hold on here. Wait a second. Let me make sure. Let me see here. X, A, B, C, D. Whoa. Where are we? 1272 would be the minimum, I think. Monkey ass, hold on. Make sure I got this, alright? This would be a crab, a bullish crab, maybe? I just gotta make sure, I can't remember, alright? Definitely, whoa, I don't think it's bullish crab, because bullish crab's a lower high, right? Would it be the bullish butterfly then? Or the bullish shark? Wow, could very well be a bullish shark. Nope. Just hold on. Sometimes it's not easy, man. Okay, it ain't easy. See, this one did not retrace 78%, so it's not a butterfly. Not a butterfly in the lower high, too. So it has to be that crab, right? Can I find this? Dude, I just need to get a cheat sheet. Someone just made me a cheat sheet so I don't have to look at this crap every time. So annoying. Dude. I don't think there's a thing for it. Hope y'all having a wonderful Friday, though. I'm just hanging out, losing my mind here. Okay. So it has to be a 1618 on the crab. So, like, no way. No way. And it's a higher low. I don't think this is valid, but you can still use critical thinking, okay? You can still use critical thinking in a situation like this. And I'm just saying, like, if we are in an uptrend kind of right now, if we're now showing triple MACD, bullish divergence, one low, another low, and then the next low, triple MACD. It's for real. On the 4 hour. And we are now showing slight forms of bullish divergence on the RSI. And we are approaching, we know the 200-day moving average. Okay, where are we? 1272 from B to C puts you down here. And then, let's see. There's critical support. It's like right here. See, it looks like you're holding a lot of support right here. Okay, so that's bouncing, but you are definitely poising yourself to break to the upside. Okay, that is for real. Despite anything you believe, X, A, B, C, D, it may not be a formal harmonic pattern, but dude, you can't tell me these things don't play out all the time when you have all coinciding variables, and that's why critical thinking comes into play in situations like this MDA. All right. Wow, spent too much time on this S coin, but thanks again. No. Dude, what happened? You talk about like a dream right here, dude. Just give me a sec. I got this. So we're just gonna look at it. Look at it. Okay. Looks like range bound, bearish rectangle going on, HG. All right. We should look at it like that, man. Okay. There could be a neckline, there could be a potential inverse head and shoulders developing, but all right. I mean, you can definitely see that right now. Here's the neckline, left shoulder head, potential right shoulder, fib from your low, 88%. 88% retrace, 275.47. All right. So you might get that, but if you can't hold that, then you're coming straight down to 265. You can't hold that, well, then you've got the critical support back from December 21st, 2018. All right. So obviously, you're just looking. One could take a position. Let's see the 4 hours. Is there any divergence to help us? Not much, man. Not much help here. But, man, if you can hold that and pivot and break to the upside, that would be incredible. So, low risk. It is lower risk, high reward potential right now. Is it not? On MMNFF. I don't know if we have anything else going on either. Maybe we do. I mean, it definitely looks like something like that, right? So it's just wish we had better oscillators. We just have so much negative momentum right now. I hate that. And on the daily, it doesn't really look that great, does it? Negative momentum still making like your highest high of negative momentum on your lowest low of this impulse. So that just means that we could run to the downside even more if we wanted to. So though I like the way it might be setting up for a potential pattern, we do not meet any criteria of coinciding variables. That's the crappy thing about MMNFF, okay? It's got the good, but it's got the bad too, right? Hope that helps, dude. Okay, what's happening right now? What's up, D. Carunya? Thanks for the follow. And thanks for the 40 people over there on D-Live. And thanks for the 200 and something people on YouTube. It's not even showing me. It's like all bugged out. Go figure. Thanks to the 224. All right. Hey, 6 likes away from fireworks. You kidding me? Let's get a like spike going if you're enjoying this broadcast. Thanks. Okay. Rectangles with like lower risk, second lowest risk, higher risk, higher risk, highest risk, right? That's how you got to look at this one. And then maybe potentially this pattern, but it might not do anything but keep selling off on Monday. All right. Down to 265. Might have another shot. You might have another shot down here at 253. Okay. You always want to wait for that divergence. You always want that. It's always good. Okay. Dang, dude, we've been going, man. We've been going hard. Bitcoin's at 5,080 right now. About $39 on the day. Cash is king. Room log? Yeah, it is, dude. Okay, man, hold on. I'm just gonna. I haven't really been able to see too much of the chat for you in YouTube and Twitch. MDMA coin, rim log. All right, dude, be careful. What's the excitement with XRP? It's well, it's just technical stuff, technical excitement. If you're into that kind of thing, okay. If you're into it. Mandingo.
That escalated quickly. A warm welcome to the super chat. She's one of us now. Ion/BTC, please, thanks, mug love.
Thanks, dude. Rendinga for the 300 bits, dude. Much love. Are you actually like picking the hearts, or is like something on my end that's screwed up? Because like it's not Valentine's Day anymore, Kappa. But I don't know. Let me know if you're actually doing that. If you're picking that one. Lord, another one of these, dude. Jeez, you're below the 200 moving average. That sucks. Ah, man. Real bad. The last time I looked at it, I know we broke out, right? Thanks, Charlie. Okay. So, from that low point to high point, we hit the 1272. That's where we began to shift our momentum. I think we broke out of a channel, too. I don't know if I analyzed this. It just didn't save or something. All right, it was just like this, you know, something like that, and then you were gone. You sold off more and more. I'm sure daily divergence. Oh, there it is. Okay, so that's what we got going on, man. Is that it? Okay. Yep. All right, that's it. So 1 and 2 on the bottom, 3 on the top. Okay, 25% resistance on the trend line, heart line, 25. Beautiful. Approached the heart line, couldn't break it, couldn't break the 200-day moving average, from selling off. Right. From that high point up, well, let's refib this now, okay? Because I think you go from the high point here to your low point. You get a 23% retrace before you sold off, okay? So this could be, I mean, you see all this, there's a lot of symmetry here. It looks really nice, right? Where you got these lows, these lower lows, these, all of a sudden you bottomed out, then higher lows, then even higher lows. Or you're kind of just holding some crappy support from December 31st. You're holding above the 50-day moving average. Your negative momentum is building, okay? You have a lot of room to run to the downside if you wanted to, so this may not be done selling. If it wanted to truly keep selling, it could. There's nothing on the daily time scale on the oscillators indicating that we're almost done selling here, that it could relent. There's none of that, all right? So daily's terrible, but 4 hour looked a little better, right? Or you did have some bullish divergence on the MACD only. But you better make higher at lows than that 332 area. All right, it's just not good, man. Not good for you. I feel like we maybe had an ascending broadening wedge, right? Maybe 1, 2, and you broke, right? Was that a partial rise? And you broke out. Now you're back testing the area that was once support as resistance. Yep, back testing. So a measured move of this pattern, if it really was to hit the measured move, perfect, right? If it's supposed to do that, if it was gonna do that, from the breakout, you just measure to the bottom of the pattern, the beginning of the pattern, which was down at 272. So that is the measured move of an ascending broadening wedge. That's it. That's it, man, okay? There's your Aeon Connect. Sweet. Hainsey, we looked at the S&P 500. It was the first thing we looked at today after Bitcoin, Ethereum, or yeah, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Ripple. We looked at the S&P 500. Check it out. Digital Meal, thanks for the follow. Patty Cake, thanks for the one ice cream. Much love. Okay. So like ONT, right? You clearly see like anchor point. Like we made the spike to the upside, right? We made that swing high, and then we kept making lower highs. So you just developed this like these two touch points up here and one down here, and it's like you hit it, you sold off, you retraced, you probably had a 1272 from a low to high, 1272, and then you bounced off of it, and then made the higher lows, and then you kind of got out of it, and then it was up from there. Okay, you're in a nice little uptrend right now. Okay, but swing high, swing low. I think you've hit a 50% retrace at this point. Height of the structure, height of that discernible swing high. You see the swing high to low. 50% retrace for it, reversing your price action, but on price action reversal, you're just bouncing on the 200 moving average now, so nothing too bad yet.
Can you look at BNT/BTC, please? Thank you.
Sure, Sarah. Thanks for the threes. We'll look at it. Appreciate it. Okay. So, any kind of a channel we had. I mean, you could do anchor point 1 and 2 here and see. Okay, so if you do 1 and 2 and 3 on the bottom, look how we bounced off the bottom of the channel. Okay, it's new. So not bad, not bad. Let's see if we can pivot here and run again. But we know already at this point from that major discernible swing high up here, we've already hit the halfway point. So if you can hold this, you might have another good shot of running up to the 618 potentially. But again, remember, all these altcoins, they're all based on Bitcoin. That's it. SONT. Okay. It's hit its halfway mark, which we know is recipe for when it will begin selling off. That's it. Okay, cool. Oh, wow. So ugly. So ugly, man. or woman in this case, Sarah. This is BNT to BTC at the 1618 fib extension from your previous major low to major high. Here it is. Here it is. I mean, you're just third time touching it. You're actually falling below it, making all-time lows right now. Look at the wicks. What do you even want me to do with these wicks? Like low liquidity S coins. Y'all are really putting me to work, okay, when you ask me to analyze this crap. Wow. We're dumpster diving today, I guess, right? Daily, no divergence on either oscillator, so not really good there. Not a good start. Some 4-hour divergence on the RSI, and yeah, the MACD low, lower low. Okay, so you got a little divergence right at that 618, or that 1618, the golden mean ratio. Wow. So you got that going for you. Oh, dude, these pumps and dumps, man, it's just like, how do you even do a pattern? How do you even do that? It's crazy, dude. What am I supposed to do here? Just a channel, just a downswing channel. I can't, there's nothing here. Nothing here but a 1618 and bullish divergence on the 4 hour. So you might pop, but I don't know how high you're going to go. If you were to break to the upside at this critical area with a bullish divergence and just go, I mean, you can go to the wick. See, I don't even know, man. Like, the volatility is terrible for fibs. Like, this could be completely wrong. Oh, I fib from up here, or where do I fib from the candle close? If you fib from the candle close, it's way more conservative. I mean, so candle close to candle close, it would be way more reasonable, right? So you'd be expecting, if it was to break the upside based on this divergence and played out, which we know the daily doesn't look that great, so it may never hit these targets. But if it did, 14,976 to 16,268. That's your golden retrace from the crazy high to low. That's all I can do for you, Sarah. I wish I had better news. Okay, this is terrible. Wow. Whew. What a Friday. Can you look at another S coin since you're already looking at S coins? Oh my God, man. Sure thing, Patty. Thanks again. Thanks for another ice cream on D Live. Hey, Geek. Ginkgo. Thanks for the follow on D Live. Welcome. Cool. Oh, fireworks. My bad. I guess the super chat fad is over, right? It came in and it was gone. Sorry, just reading. What's up, Julia? I have no idea. I can't even hear the music, really. Okay, it's probably way too... I gotta turn it down a little bit. I know it's like probably just a little bit too loud. And I know some people will be like, no, that's crazy. But it's like, yeah, it is kind of too loud because it like overwhelms the stream. There we go. It's good now. Holy crap. Sweet. Okay. B-Chain, what do I think? Well, we thought it was great, and now we don't really care that much, but we think we still could go higher, especially if we hold that critical support, which was once a resistance. Okay, and we did. We held beautifully. Nice freaking bounce. 4-hour divergence was there. Great, man. That was do or die. You had to hold that, and you held it brilliantly, man. Very, very nice. Okay, very nice. They were shilling it like crazy. I mean, it really, I mean, it has some potential. It's at a 1618 fib extension with bullish divergence of both oscillators on the 4-hour. I mean, that's okay. but I didn't see much of a formal pattern or anything. Okay, at all. I don't know how you could. It's just crazy pump and dumps.
Is that a joint?
Did I miss ZenConnect?
Nah, you didn't. Thanks for the 420, Greg, man. 1941. Yeah, it dumped like crazy. Dumped like insane, and now it's like flagging, like bear flagging. I mean, I feel like you stay above 2.5 cents and be okay, but terrible, man. Just terrible. Looks like Ethereum almost, right? Almost looks like Ethereum, and you could almost make the argument X, A, B, C, and then D, right down here. Am I crazy here to think about it like that? How far do we retrace? Yeah, 50%. The wick was, I mean, it's between 50 and 60%, right? So if we did it, if it was closer to 618, then that means it would be an 88%. Nope, it'd be 78, right? Jeez, man, it's hard memorizing this crap. So 618. I'll just all eye it. Is it? Okay. Hold on. So okay, it's a bullish cipher. Okay, potential bullish cipher. Yeah. So it looks like your entry would be around again before we get stopped out. Okay. Wow, VeChain's pumping, well, it's moving to the upside more now as we speak. Crazy. Wait, why did we hide Ruben? Why did Ruben get hidden? I mean, Litecoin is an actual coin, so can't like whatever. So anyway, if this is the way it could be interpreted, it seems to line up pretty well. So could be a trade setup again, but that's really near the entry of the trade setup for us anyway. So let's leave it alone. Hey, high on price. Higher high on price. What happens? Bearish divergence. This is the manifestation of the bearish divergence. This dumpage, okay? And if you sell off more, maybe we'll start when we consolidate, we reset the MACD, then we sell off again to a lower price, but not much lower, and then we show lower levels of negative momentum. We got bullish divergence to go along with the 786 entry, potentially for that bullish cipher, potential bullish cipher on ZenConnect USD. All right, there you go. Greg Morgan, that's for you, okay? It's all good, no big deal. What's up, Kawhi Lau? Welcome. Oh, dude, oh my god, freaking Rob R, man, are you kidding me, dudes? Dude, thanks so much for the Ninja Genie, dude, Rob. Much love, dude. Sorry, I was just it's a work. It's a lot of work. Just I'm like doing this like the whole stream. Okay. Oh, dude, Tony Rumble, thanks for the 69 lemon. Hey, for 69. Oh, it feels so good. Thanks, dude. Really appreciate it. Making it rain lemonade, patty cake. That's right. That's right. Well, delivering lemonade, I guess, because it's a Ninja Genie. But to be fair, Rob R contributed a couple ninjets yesterday. So did Probst. It's crazy. Look at that. So again, nice bounce. Nice bounce. Okay. Wow. Very cool. Where do you buy Litecoin at? I don't know. It's not on TradingView, but it's definitely an asset that exists out there in the world. There's also TA with Mitch Raycoin, a much more promising investment. Kappa, mini Kappas on that one. Okay. Okay. Wow. Been live now for an hour. Osama, thanks for joining. Welcome. So, look on the 8s. Let's go back to, well, we started the stream with XRP. Let's start with it on the look on the 8s. What are we talking about? The potential bullish diver. Another one. Just like Tron. Okay, just like Bitcoin had started. This one actually hit. Well, it actually didn't. 70.6% retrace. We were very close, but not quite. So that means, like, hey, I'd love to see us. We could retrace this weekend a little bit, maybe run up, touch the 20 moving average, and then sell off again and make lower lows than these previous lows. And then that, what would that give us? Eventually, we could end up at our entry or right around it with this. And what would that be? That bullish divergence. Okay, just give it a little bit more time. Up, down, up, down, up, down. Eventually, you're looking for the, again, 31.489 cents, and then we'd be looking for targets 34.059 cents, 35.704 cents, and then maybe 37.57 cents for the third target if we're lucky. Okay, that's what we'd be looking for. All right, you'd be looking for eventually to make a little bit of positive momentum, just a little bit on the retrace, and then you sell off again, and then when you sell off again, you barely make any positive momentum, and that's the divergence that coincides with our entry. Okay, that's it. XRP Connect, XRP News Connect. Wow, dude, we're gonna be kings, maybe. Check it out. What's up, Sports Gaming 101? Thanks for the follow. Appreciate it. What is happening? That's right, Mid-Trade Connect, Julia. Exactly. 31.589. Yeah, we could do that. We could do 35.89. Whatever. Do you think it's supposed to rain? I'm really digging that Tron, though, that potential pattern. That'd be nice. Oh, yeah. No, I think other people were asking, Ruben. They didn't know it was actually an S-Coin. Oh, will it, dude? Based on what? Based on what encrypted broker? I like the momentum shift, but BTS was one of those we called the target on it, and it ran up and hit it, and it was like a flash pump and dump, right? It was just like Telegram almost. But yeah, it broke out, but it's now below the 4-hour, all the major moving averages. Yeah. The monthly shows bearish divergence, if not mistaken. Oh, it was showing it before the huge dump we had too. Remember all that? It's turbo time. I've had it up to here with Turbo Man. What's up, dude, on Twitch? Good to see you, as always. Okay. Yes, there are 2 white papers for Titty Coin. It's true. Hey, Ben Smith, thanks for being here. Welcome. Dior guy, hopefully you got the analysis on ZRX, right? Zenobi, what do you mean? Coinbase markets are in cancel only mode. What are you talking about? What's my favorite way to get tipped? How I earn the most? Just Streamlabs or Stream Elements. And I think cryptocurrency might be, like, for tax reasons, the best way to get tipped, honestly. Ginger paper, boom, shots fired. Okay. Yeah, show that. Post your charts. I mean, it did round out like crazy. Momo show. USD. You know, people asked about that today. Let's go to the daily real quick. Okay, so, well, you know what? We looked at the weekly. Look at this, man. 9 weeks straight. 9 green candles in a row. And now you're forming some sort of hanging man or something up here. Critical support that you have to hold from June 2018. So you're back testing it as support, it seems, for now. But let's see how the weekend closes.
Bro, last one for today. How much weight do you put on a potential Gartley on the BTC/USD monthly, even stronger than one on the 1 day?
I don't know. Monthly is crazy slow. Okay. So, let me see another chart real quick. A Gartley on a monthly time scale for Bitcoin? What? I'm looking. Okay. I don't know how you see a Gartley. Maybe I'm just on the wrong chart or something. Dude, are you just saying like you think we're at we're at B right now, we're trying to pivot to run up to make C? Is that what you're saying? If that's the case, that's not how you're supposed to look at harmonics. Harmonics, you're normally looking for X, A, B, C all formed, and as soon as C starts developing that swing high, that lower high, and you can see it, that's when you start plotting it. But for now, if you have X, A, B, and you don't have C yet, no telling. Like, it's like whatever, man. Hey, Zendrick, thanks for the follow on Twitch. Welcome. Okay. So anyway, you must hold this. You must. Alright, here's the daily. But 9 candles, isn't that a sequential thing people talk about or something? 9, what's up, Dolphin134? Oh, CX, what happened, dude? Trying to do bullishly engulf today at 1818. Remember our target from the breakout, if we can hold this, target's 2114, 2113.8. Okay, that's it. So it was weird because, you know, we had a high on price, a higher high on price. We had bearish divergence on the MACD as well as the RSI, which is impending price action reversal. Higher prices with receding volume was also bearish. So, man, you are at critical levels. You do not want to fall and stay below 1735. Look, we've wicked down a couple times, probably stopped a lot of people out, and you're right back where you started. Okay, so time will tell. Just set up an alert, man. Don't fall and confirm prices below this, or it could be very bad. Okay, hold the support and you will run again, most likely on BNB. What's up, schemer, dude? Welcome. Thanks for the 41 people on D-Live. Dude, I wish I could help on this. I don't see. I mean, someone help me here. Okay. And maybe this is just, maybe I'm crazy, but you're saying, let's go to this clean chart. I don't know, it's just Bitfinex really, right? Monthly. This goes to 2013, so plenty of data. So you're saying something like you want to see this, right? Wherever the bottom is, right? Wherever this bottom is, just never really swing lows, okay? Like this. Well, you can use the wick, use the candle. What do you think, man? Oh my God. So you've already retraced